Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit some more photos from the 85 RF85 F1.2 USM. So that's the Canon photos. So all of the picture I set it as a Canon camera standard. You can see that the standard profile that I chose. So once I pick that, and then I'm gonna edit each photo. So first I'm gonna do some retouching first, just and then I'm gonna smooth the skin a little bit. Yep, once I smooth the skin, I'm gonna edit some shadow right here. And then smooth back the screen a little bit, the skin. And then after that, I'm gonna adjust the exposure. You can see that the background is a little bit too blue in the back. I'm gonna reduce the blue color, and this is the updated interface. It changed the blue already, but anyway, so you can just change the SLR. This is just the newly updated classic. You can see that the difference. The blue, you can choose it quickly like this. The green, reduce the green a little bit more, and I think it just got updated just a couple of days ago. And so yeah, you can see that before and after is yep, that's a before and after. And then reduce the highlight, save, increase the contrast. Next I'm gonna do 4:5 Instagram crop. So you use 4:5 crop like this, leave some room. Okay, so next one I'm gonna edit in Portraiture 3. Just do a quick style. Just retouching, choose the skin color, and then say OK. And if you feel like the area of the face is need more brightness, you can just do a shadow. So let's do a shadow quickly. Just do a quick 17 shadow, and then that's it. And then do a Ctrl Shift E, export it out. Next I'm gonna copy this the setting and then paste it here. You can see that the green might need to reduce a little bit more, as well as the yellow. So I reduce the yellow and green, and the blue already reduced. And then next gonna do a 4:5 crop in here. Leave some room on the left side like this, and then let me increase the shadow a little bit. So this one I can just do a Portraiture 3 directly. And then choose the skin color and then say OK. Yep, so once it's finished, I'm gonna do Ctrl Shift Export. Next, this one I'm gonna reduce the exposure a bit more, increase the shadow, reduce the highlight, save. And if the body has more shadow, and I can do the brush, do the highlight, you can do a -11. Just reduce the highlights only in the face area. Let me double check. Okay, so and then I'm gonna get rid of some of the minor distraction on the ground. Like that, and then I'm gonna get rid of this one also, just some minor distraction on the ground, and then reduce the green a little bit more, and I'm gonna add some shadow in the area, add some more shadow in here. And then do a 4:5 crop. You can pull up the shadow a little bit more for this. Let me reduce the yellow a little bit more. Okay, so that's good. And then I'm going to do the Portraiture 3. Okay, so after that, and then do Ctrl+Shift+E, export it out. Next one, let me reduce the exposure a little bit more, and also the blue is very obvious right here, so I'm gonna reduce. You can see the blue, reduce the blue, reduce the yellow a little bit. And then 4:5 crop in here. Double check, just slightly retouch the skin. And then go back to the smooth. Okay, so and then I'm gonna copy this one, copy this edit, and then later I'm gonna paste to the next one. But before that, I'm gonna do a Portraiture 3 here, and then later I'm gonna do Portraiture 3 at the same time. So okay, Okay, so that's good. And then let me export it out. And then same one here. So I did the copy. Let me paste it these two to here. It might be too dark for this one. And then let me increase the shadow a little bit. Four by 5 Instagram crop right here. Okay, I'm gonna do some shadow in here as well. Okay, so that's good. And then what I'm gonna do is edit Portraiture 3. Okay, so I'm gonna crop. Sometimes after the Portraiture 3, I'm gonna crop a little bit more. Also, based on what's the end result, I'm gonna crop up a little bit more. Okay, so export it out. I'm gonna copy this one and then paste it here, and then do a close up like this. And you can check the thumbnail for the position and the cropping, so you can just check slightly a little bit. And for this one also, I can add some shadow in here as well. And if you don't like this distraction right here, you can just do it like that, make it very less obvious. Okay, so that's less obvious on this area, so that it's more concentrated on the head part. And I can see the column slightly rotated. I'm gonna rotate a little bit just for the positioning purpose. Okay, so I think that's good. Slightly up a little bit more, just a little bit more headroom on top, and then do a Portraiture 3. Let me check how was the time. Okay, so we already 14 minutes. I'm gonna do 5 more minutes until finish. So let me see if I can finish the next couple pictures. So next one, I'm gonna just do one right here. Let me check. Reduce the yellow. Increase a little bit of the exposure, reduce more highlight save, and at the same time I can add a little bit more of the shadow in front. slightly rotate it. Make sure that it is perpendicular to the ground. Okay, so I can add a little bit more shadow in front right here. Okay, so that's good. And then I'm gonna copy this edit and then paste it here. And then add some shadow in front also, just like okay, and then reduce the exposure slightly and then do a 4:5 crop. Okay, so that's good. And then these two at the same time, I'm going to do a Portraiture 3. And that's it. And then once it finish, I'm gonna export it out. So this one, let me reduce exposure, highlight save, and the yellow slightly less, maybe less blue also. And this one I can do a shadow in front. Slightly rotate the tilting, and I like the leading line with the wave also, so I'm gonna include the wave. Just have more environment into this portrait. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna do a Portraiture 3. So I'm gonna keep it at this since I have 3 left, but it's almost 19 minutes already. So I'm gonna keep it under 20 minutes. But most of them are like already went through. And thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.